Welcome back to another video, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I'm here in the supermarket looking at this interesting fruit. Never see this fruit before. Look at the name, guys. Pineapple melon. I want to know of melon and pineapple, right? But I did not know that they have pineapple melon, right? I did not know of a fruit named pineapple melon. Very interested. Yes, guys. Comment in the comment section there, guys. Let me know if you guys know of the pineapple melon. If you ever eat it before. This one is unusual to me. Pineapple melon, guys. So interesting. And here they slice it up for you and sell it, in portion where you can afford it. Very affordable. Yes, pineapple melon. Wow, interesting. So I only know of this melon here, guys. Watermelon, right? Did not know of pineapple melon, only watermelon. And here is the watermelon. Wow, fresh, fresh. And melon is good for us, guys. Helps hydrate our skin. Yes, very good for us. Very healthy. Watermelon here, guys. Look at it. Not watermelon, this one, but pineapple melon. Look at it. Very interesting. Comment, guys, in the comment section. Let me know if you ever ate this fruit before. Never heard of it. It's the first for me here. Pineapple melon. Interesting.